What is Procreate? It seems like there are tons of digital creative programs out there, but Procreate is a pretty special one, and it's popular for a reason. Procreate is a creative tool used for making digital paintings. An iPhone app is available, but most creators use the original iPad program. Thanks to the Apple Pencil, amateur and professional artists can get an authentic pencil-on-paper feel. You can customize how the app responds to your touches, pinches, and swipes from any number of fingers. You'll also be able to make unique brushes to use for your current and future projects. For most creatives, using Procreate is a no-brainer. Using your Envato Elements subscription to download Procreate brushes is also an obviously great idea. You get unlimited access to premium brushes that can fit your next digital painting. A solid set of brushes like these ones can add a lot of character to your work. Artists of all skill levels should get to know Procreate. It's a great app for digital painting. You can download these brushes and more right from Envato Elements. If you liked what you saw, give this video a like and check out more videos on Procreate. If you're interested in the brushes featured here, take a peek at the description. We've got links to download them from Envato Elements. Subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel for even more videos like this one on Photoshop and even more creative programs. Thanks for watching.